guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. I want to apologize because I'm right by my door and the snow is melting outside, so if you hear any background noise, it is that. Today we're going to be doing my Boxycharm for January 2019. I have already opened this, but I did ask if you guys want to see unboxings and it seemed like yes, you guys do, so I'm going to be doing that for you guys. I personally like watching these even though I already knew what I was getting in my box because I already opened it. So if you guys are the same way, let me know, or if you don't even get Boxycharm and still like watching these, let me know. Boxycharm is a subscription box that costs $21 a month plus tax, so I think it's like $22 or something like that, but you're gonna see that the value of the box is actually way more than that, like all the time. It's usually over $100 worth of value and you get products that are like name brand and majority full-size items. So I really like Boxycharm. I go back and forth on whether or not I need to say subscribe to something, because sometimes the stuff I get in here I don't actually love, so I end up passing it along, which you will see in this box. Yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and go ahead and get into this unboxing for you guys. So as you guys probably already know, the theme this month is Boxing Chill. This is the card. I think it's kind of cute, it's kind of kiddish, but yeah, I don't really understand Boxing Chill. I get like the Netflix and chill thing, but I don't really understand that. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into what we're getting in this box. I'm gonna start off with something that I'm fairly certain we've got before, but I've watched a few unboxings and a lot of people have gotten repeat items in their box, so I don't know what's happening, but I'm fairly certain that I've gotten this before. This is the Briogeo, I don't know how to say it. It's a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. I've heard really good things from the other Boxycharm unboxings that I've tried, so I think I am gonna give this a go. Last time I passed it on, I think this time I will give it a go, because yeah, I've heard really good things. Sorry, my cat's distracting me. If you can't tell, he's running loud. So the next thing I got is from Ofra. Ofra keeps rebranding their stuff. Like, I've gotten Ofra lipsticks and Boxycharms before and it does not look like this, so I don't know what's happening, but this is the lipstick that I got. This is in Miami Fever, and I noticed that Nikki Murphy commented about hers. She thought hers was Kathleen Lights too. I actually looked up swatches of this online, and this was with Kathleen Lights, so I don't know what's going on because nothing on this package says anything about Kathleen Lights, so I don't know what's happening there. But this is like a brownish orange color. I've tried it on and I think I like it, but I don't know. I have tried it on, so I will pass it along to somebody who's in my family or who doesn't like bother, who doesn't get bothered by that kind of stuff, because yeah, it's been on my lips. But this color is really unique and interesting. I don't know, it reminds me a lot of Tasha Leland, so I'm gonna give this a go. I'm not sure how I feel about that. The next thing we got, and I'm actually really excited about this, is the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Eye Pencil. This is what it looks like. It's just a universal shade. It does come with a spoolie on the end. This feels really nice and really like high quality, so I'm really liking this. I have tried this on. I think it's a perfect item. I love brow pencils, so this is definitely staying in my collection, getting a lot of use. The next thing we got is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. I like these colors, but I think that my sister would get more use out of it, so I have already told her she could have it, but I wanted to showcase it in my unboxing before I gave it to her. The shades are just so pretty. I don't know if you can see that. They're like these champagne-y, sparkly colors, and that's totally what my sister's into, what she likes. So that's why I'm going to pass it along to her. You always, well not always, but generally you get a palette in Boxycharm, and so I have plenty of palettes that aren't getting used. I'm actually going to be decluttering very shortly, so I'm going to go ahead and pass it along to her because I think she'll get more use out of it than I will. It's a really gorgeous palette, don't get me wrong, and I think it's really cool that we got an item like Tarte in our box, but I think she'd get more use out of it. And the last items that I have in my box, I have already used one. It's from Tatcha, which is incredible because Tatcha is expensive. I'm going to actually look to see how much these cost, because Tatcha is super expensive. It says that the retail price is $24. I don't know if that's for both of them or individually, but I know Tatcha is super expensive. This is a sheet mask. It's the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask for normal to dry skin. I tried this last night in the bathtub. I really like it. So I was going to pass this along to my sister, but I think I'm actually going to keep it for myself because I like it so much. Sorry, Chastity. But it is super nice, and I think it's really cool that we got a high-end brand like this in our Boxycharm, because this alone, like these alone, no matter if it's $24 a piece, or just $24 for both of them, they're over the price of the box. That Tarte palette's over the price of the box, so you're getting a really good value. So I'm really excited that we got that in our box. If you guys are someone that's interested in signing up for Boxycharm, just head over to boxycharm.com and sign up. There has been a waiting list. Like, I unsubscribed and then I resubscribed, and I was on a waiting list for a short time, so you may encounter that. But overall, I'm really happy with this month's box. There was a repeat item, which is kind of weird, but I saw that a lot of people were getting repeat items, so I don't know what's going on there. But if you guys enjoyed, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!